Kennedy, Simone. Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Kennedy Simone here, and I am back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to be a part of Ken's crew, because we're the best crew. So, as you can tell from the title, I'm moving again. So, I told y'all in the last one, when I moved into my first apartment, that I was gonna be here until I finished with college. But, you know, plans changed, and yeah, I just ended up getting a new apartment. It's actually a studio apartment, so that's really interesting. I've never lived in this type of living space before. I've only lived in dorms, and my last one is a 3-bedroom. So this should be very interesting, okay, y'all? It's gonna be my own place. I'm gonna have a lot more content, so definitely if you're new to this channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I have a lot of content planned. I've been planning for like 2 months what I want this channel to be like and how I want it to be. So definitely stay tuned. If you like college related things, vlogs, travel, I'm doing all of that, okay? And I've already filmed videos and stuff. It's already ready. So if you want that, stay tuned. And also binge watch my college advice series if you're a college student or incoming college student, and college vlog playlist. So check out the playlist tab because I got a lot of videos, like 50 plus videos on each playlist. So just binge watch them, girl. YouTube, playlist, and chill, okay, right? Okay, but yes, y'all here for the tour, okay? So I'm gonna give y'all the tour. I'm gonna vlog me moving in and also like me moving out of my old apartment. So yes, let's get to the tour. Okay, this is the entrance door right here. So I come in, and then to the left is just this storage unit. I'm sure it's nothing in there but a water heater or something like that. And then to the right, it's double doors to the washer and dryer. So I have a full little laundry room. So yes, I have that in my apartment. So yeah, that'll be great to have for sure. And then as you come over here, you have the kitchen area. So we have the fridge and the freezer. So yes, we love to see it. I'm gonna be stocked up, hopefully. And you know, cabinets up here. Nothing major, y'all know how, you know, empty cabinets look. They have a little backsplash here. We have a sink, you know, drawers down here. We have a dishwasher, oven, stove, microwave, you know, the usual. That's just my person stuff. And then, you know, we have a window. I don't have a balcony for this one, which I wish I would have had, especially with the studio. And then I have just this couch. You know, my other one was really big, but it was a 3-bedroom. So for a studio, I guess they, you know, downsize it, of course, so it can fit and everything. And it's usually probably not as many people in a studio. So yeah, and then the coffee table. We have a TV, we have a smart TV. So we have Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, all of that connected to our TV. It comes with the apartment. Mind you, this is student living, but it's not affiliated with my school. So it's just student housing. So students live here, but not just Spelman students. I had a lot of questions about that in my last video about moving in. It's the same building, just different units. So yeah, and then I have the TV stand, and it has 2 little cupboards down here. So this will be good to keep like some of my games and stuff that I have for when friends come over or whatever the case may be. The TV, of course. And then over here we have a queen size bed. And these are the 2 dressers. So mind you, all of this stuff I've used before. I'm just literally transferring it over and redecorating for the most part. So yeah, and then that's my desk and the chair. Mind you, all this stuff comes with it because it's student living. Okay, and then this is the bathroom. Y'all see my little fit, my little workout fit. But yes, so this is the bathroom. Looks basically the same as mine, just the closet is in the bathroom. So this is the closet. It's basically the same size, if not a little bit bigger. I think it's probably like the same size as my other closet. So this is just how it looks. And the bathroom. with 3 drawers and 2, you know, the undersink cabinets, the sink, blah, blah, blah. Toilet, bathtub with a shower and stuff. So I'm excited because, yeah, I'm gonna do one quick run through. So that is just the apartment tour, okay? So I'm excited to move in and decorate. Stay tuned to see kind of like how I decorate everything because I'm super excited to, you know, switch it up a little bit. I have some good ideas planned and yes, y'all not ready. Y'all not ready, okay? So stay tuned because y'all not ready, okay? I don't think y'all ready. So yeah, I know y'all probably miss me. I missed y'all, like I really do, like miss interacting with y'all in the comments and everything. So leave down your favorite thing you like about my videos, and if you're new, maybe like something you've noticed already that you like about me or something like that, and we can chat, okay? I love interacting with y'all. My OG subscribers know that I comment back to every single one of my comments, so yes, just, you know, comment down below and we can chat. So this is the progress me and Brittany made in the closet. I got all the clothes transferred. I just have to do the shoes and all that, and then brought a few things that I could roll. Everything else, I'm waiting to my parents because they have a dolly. So, yes ma'am. One last hoorah. This is it, the little empty version.
Kennedy.